Hello, welcome back to our next food hill. Today I'll be showing you an easy spatchcock chicken recipe. A spatchcock chicken is really easy to make, as most surface area of the chicken is spread out. This method helps the bird cook really quickly. So let me show you how I make mine. First of all, you will need to prepare the chicken for spatchcocking. Lay the chicken breast side up on a large cutting board. Check for the neck and giblets, then remove with a sharp knife. I already did this behind the camera. Starting from the tail, cut along one side of the spine or backbone, separating it from the ribs with the use of a sharp knife or shears. Be careful when doing this, you don't want to cut too deep into the flesh than needed. Repeat the same process on the opposite side of the backbone until you notice it detaching from the ribs. When done, turn the chicken over. Press the breastbone down firmly with your palms to help flatten out the chicken completely. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels to make it easy to move and apply seasonings. Gently spread the legs apart to create a butterfly chicken. To cook spatchcock chicken, you can use any type of seasoning that you want. Combine smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, chili flakes, thyme, onion powder, chicken bouillon powder, minced garlic, cumin, and salt in a mixing bowl. Mix and make sure they are nicely combined. Transfer the spatchcocked chicken to your oven grill, lined with a foil paper. Rub some olive oil all over the chicken. This will help the seasoning to stick perfectly. Go on and rub the dry seasonings all over the chicken. Remember to apply the seasoning under the skin of the chicken if you want some extra crispiness and flavor. Turn the chicken over to the opposite side. Season as well. Just make sure to add the seasoning in every nook and cranny of the bed. And while doing this, preheat your grill or oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When you are done with this process, flip the bed over. Prepare the legs and the wings. The chicken wings are thin and can burn easily, so you want to tuck them behind the breast. If you like, you can rest the chicken for a couple of minutes before cooking. Go ahead and grill your spatchcocked chicken right away for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, baste the chicken with the sauce of your choice and grill for another 25 minutes or until the internal temperature records 165. And your spatchcocked roasted chicken is ready. You can cool it for 15 minutes before serving. This method allows your chicken to cook really quickly. It adds extra flavor and juiciness to the chicken. Just look at that. Smells good and delicious. And did you notice that extra crispy layer? I know you will definitely love this spatchcock chicken recipe. If you finally make this, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed watching this, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and also hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Until next time, I'd love to see you again. Bye!